subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched its new smartphone under Enjoy series in China called Huawei Enjoy 20 Pro with 5G connectivity support. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Enjoy 20 Pro supports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it supports up to 90Hz refresh rate. As per the camera, the smartphone features a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The AAA camera supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the water drop notch with f2.0 aperture. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800 chipset paired with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via Nano memory card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with EMUI 10.1 skin on the top. The phone comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 22.5 watts fast charging support, and additionally, the phone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160 by 75.32 by 8.35 mm and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Enjoy 20 Pro has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in Magic Night Black, Dark Blue and Galaxy Silver color options, and it will go on sale starting from June 24th. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Enjoy 20 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.